Dean 35 kills for 1,500 stars. Kaya ba natin mag 35 kills, guys? Tara. Galingan mo, father. Oy, sige, Norberto, maraming salamat sa 10 stars, pare. Lulupitan natin. Ayan, buksan lang natin na malupitang mala. Ay, game. Pag di ako mamatay dito, 35 kills to. Ay!
Revive flight will arrive.
Okay, 30 kills na lang. 35 kills na lang, guys. We can do this, everybody. 30 kills to go. Ala, naku, may arsenal pa nga, guys. Naku, pare, kailangan ko sana yung kills na yun, pare. Hindi naman sana kita habulin, eh. Pero alam ko pa rin na naka-shotgun ka. Sorry, pare, kailangan lang. Ay. Kalma.
Ay, tama. Father, team up.
Simat daw. Pare! Sorry, pare. Patag ka na lang, pare. Alo! Last guy ka na bala.
Pangino mo, father.
Sorry. Minura tuloy ako. Kailangan ko lang kasi, pare. Kailangan ko maka 35 kills kasi. Sorry. Uy! Ba't da? Ay! Okay. Let's go. Game. Mas kailangan ko marami kills. Kaya pa kaya natin mag 35 kills? Sa tingin ko parang hindi na, guys. Pero sana, naabutan natin. Kasi sayang yung 1,500 stars, di ba? Skita na lang. May kalaban sa Skita, eh. So, mas kailangan natin yung maraming kalaban, guys. Bastos. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Father, ikaw ba yan? Hey, father.
Hindi. Wala ka na shockwave. Tingnan natin.
Airdrop incoming.
Nice one.
Jeez.
GG's pa rin.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Airdrop.
Sayang guys. Eh, malayo pa naman yung zone. Kaya pa to. Kayang-kaya pa to guys. Kailangan ko na ng Odin guys. We have to get the Odin.
Airdrop incoming.
Kuha na natin yung Odin guys. Hindi yung kalaban. Where is the enemies?
Chip from
Okay.
the safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop incoming.
Kunti na lang guys. Kunti na lang par. Hayaan muna natin magdagdag. Hayaan muna natin magdagdag guys. Para dumami pa yung mga kalaban. We have to find another enemy to win this 35 kills. Saan kayo yung mga kalaban no? Mga enemy. Yun mga person.
Chip terminal is falling. Last 5 teams. Warning, EMP drones have been deployed.
Two kills, let's go! Yung laway ko, nasa screen. Let's go! Let's go! Grabe naman yun. Tara, clutch na natin to. Gonna clutch this shit. We're gonna clutch this shit. Easy 1-5. Let's go!
Careful, poltergeist is active. The safe zone is collapsing.
Let's go! May pasobra dahil special ka. Damn, boy. Damn. With a 37 kills. Grabe naman yun. Yung 1-5. Yung 1-5. Joke lang daw.
Why are you crying?
Cry. Nag-send siya ng 100 stars tapos cry. Ay, yawa. Piste mo siguro kakol. Sige atay mo siguro kakoloy. Kalami, yun mong bodigahon ko, loy. Nagsinulit siya ng 100 stars. Kulang pa rin ng 1-3, guys. Kalami, yun mong bodigahon ko. Nagsin siya, guys. 300 stars na, guys. Tatlong tigwa 100 stars. Ang wanto pare, ang wanto. Ako na lang magbibigay, Father. Kulang ng 2-0. 15 stars. Salamat pare. Wala na talaga. Final na talaga yun, boss. Boss wins. Kulang pa ng 1-2. Ano yun? May tunugan ng star, pero yung comment section ko nag-freeze. Si Norberto Manto nagpa-challenge, Father. Iba daw yung nagpa-challenge.
Why are you crying?
Yung 1-5. Kutukutuhon yun ti karon. Kutukutuhon yun ti ka. Sumakabilang 1-5 na ata yun, guys. Na-traffic ata yung 1-5 natin stars. 1-5 na stars. Na-traffic ata pa rin. Sige lang, guys. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Ang buhay ay wither lang, guys. Ang nagawa, ganun talaga ang buhay. Guys, hintayin talaga natin yung 1-5, guys. Talagang mag-i-start, guys.
A few moments later.
Congratulations, Father. Sending my star 1,500. Okay. I'll be waiting. Isisend daw yung 1,500 stars. O sige, I'm waiting. Norberto, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, Norberto. Huwag tayo mag-i-start, guys. Hintayin natin. I'm still waiting. Yuhu! Baka nagre-recharge pa, guys. 1.5 sabi niya, tapos susunod niya. 150 pala. 1,000. Oy! Waiting. Yung 1.5, boss. May 1.5. Wala talaga. Yung 1.5. Hindi niya daw ibibigay. Kasi yung challenge, 35 kills. Tapos yung kills mo, 37.